discuss asa ta nag-end sa atong discussion.
Vertical line test.
Vertical line.
Okay. So nahuman nato ang atong discussion yesterday. So this afternoon we will be discussing a new topic. Excited na bang tanan mag-solve? Excited na ba ang all mag-solve? Andam na ba inyong mga whiteboard and whiteboard marker o inyong mga papel? Okay, because later we are going to solve. Don't worry, kay dili siya complicated ni solve. Sayon ra siya, class. Kaya kaayo ninyo. Kamo pa, no? Mga kan mo mga brilliant, mga smart. All right. 17 na ay isa nga wala. Sige. All right. So, wait, I'll share my screen to you guys. All right. Wait in a while ha. Sige, kaya nag-loading. Wait lang. Okay. So, di ba yesterday, I asked you what are the 4 fundamental operations? And,
Yes, ma'am.
oo. Gipangutana ta mo about the 4 fundamental operation and you guys answered, of course, kabalo na mi ana, ma'am. The 4 fundamental operations. Okay, mo to siya ang addition, subtraction, multiplication, and um, division, ma'am. Right, that is correct. So today we are going to discuss no, about the operation of function. Okay, we are going to use the 4 fundamental operation in solving fraction. Right, excited na ba ang all mag-solve?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Excited na kaayo ni ma'am. Tapos Mary, oh, nag-smell siya. Excited na kayo ni Mary, ba? Sige. All right. So, what are these 4 operations of function, ma'am? All right. So, operation of function, again, i-mention ninyo ganina. Okay, of course, in addition, you will find the sum, in subtraction, the difference, and in multiplication, the product, and lastly, division, finding the quotient. All right. So, now I'm going to introduce to you, class, the rules on performing operations of function. All right. So, again, atay upat. So, the first one is addition or the finding the sum. Okay, the given formula of finding the sum or sum of the function is this one. F plus g is the function defined by y is equal to f plus g x, or y is equal to f of x plus g of x. All right. So in subtraction, it is just the same, nagvary lang siya sa operation. All right? So nagvary sa operation ang addition of subtraction. Of course, ma'am. Obviously, ma'am. All right. So, mana siya ang duha. And the third one is the multiplication of function or finding the product of a function. Again, it is f. Wait, na-enter. All right. Again, katong late na ka-enter, we are discussing about, I am discussing about the um, operations of function, and there are rules on performing operation of function. The first one is addition or finding the sum with the formula y is equal to f of x plus g of x. And the same po siya sa subtraction, nag-vary lang sila sa operation. So the third one, we have here multiplication. Again, as you've noticed, class, the same ra siya, naglahi lang gid sila sa operation. And the fourth one is division or finding the quotient of a function by using this formula, y is equal to f of x over g of x. Take note that the g of x must not be equal to 0. Alright, sige. So, mato siya class, ang rules of performing operation of function. Sige. Sige, ibalik na ako sa pinakauna ay sa addition or done na. You can screenshot. Pwede niyo i-screenshot.
Okay na, ma'am.
Okay na. Sige. You tell me ha if ma'am paspas ra kaayo ka or nag-rap na pod ka ma'am. Sige, kayo para dili ta para hinahinayon nato. Okay. So now we are going to apply these rules on performing operations by solving. Okay? So, unsa man siya ma'am? Okay. So we have here an example of how you are going to solve for or to find the sum of a given function. All right, so the given function, here, if f and g are functions defined by f of x is equal to 2x squared plus 3 and g of x is equal to 4x cubed plus 1. So we are going to solve or use the given formula y is equal to f of x plus g of x. All right. So here, class, all you need to do is copy. Okay, I'd like again to remind na when writing or when solving for a function, you need to write the complete solution. All right? Kaya ang uban, diretso na answer. No? Pero it is very important for you guys to write the complete answer or complete solution. Kaya nga naman, kasi hindi ay ang solution, no? 5 points tapos ang final answer 1 point ra 1 point ra mo ha kung final answer imong answer diretso. So might as well write the complete solution. Also, the advantage of writing a solution is that you can easily identify, okay, which part
Okay,
ka,
ma'am.
for example na error. So dali na din ma-identify the moment that you have that complete solution. Sige, let us try to um dissect or figure out what happened here in this example. So again, ang atong value sa f of x is equal to 2x squared plus 3 and then ang g of x nato is equal to 4x cubed plus 1. Okay. Again, the first thing that you will do is copy. You will just copy the value of f of x kini siya here. Okay, dara atong gi-copy. And then ang g of x, again, copy ra nato. Okay, in the second or the third solution, what have you noticed? Giunsa man siya?
Add.
Substitute, ma'am.
Nara, ang kini ba? Kano kini na first nato solution, second solution, gi-copy. Ang third one, giunsa man siya? Third one, this part.
Gipag-uban ang duha gi-join.
Gi-arrange.
Gi-join siya or by removing the parentheses. Okay? The third step or the third step sa inyong solution is remove the parentheses. And then the fourth solution before the final answer, giunsa man siya, what have you noticed?
Gi-arrange.
I-arrange sa
Arrange.
unsa.
By exponent.
By, yes.
So gi-arrange siya no by exponent. So class, ang inyo remember diri is that una gyud isulat ang value no or ang given variable nga naay pinakadako nga exponent. Okay, hantod sa ubos. And then the last one is kanang walay variable
Plus.
or kanang 4. Okay, so again, i-rearrange no. Una ang 4x cubed, dayon is 2x squared, and then what we did here sa 3 and 1 is gi-add. Alright, so basically, as you can see here, igara kita nag-copy-copy, no? Ang ato rin gi solve or atong gi-add, kidirang pinakaulahi, the 3 plus 1. Right? Ang the rest of this, unsa man, ato ra siyang gi-copy. Question sa addition of function. Na-understand ra? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Alright.
Ako,
Sige.
question.
Haman to.
Oh,
Kinsa tayo na question?
kapag, ako ma'am.
Okay, Pam.
Kanang kuan ma'am, dili bisag kunwari ma'am nay example nga magkapareha sila exponent. Kapag magkapareha sila exponent, ma'am, i-add sila, di ba?
Yes, that is correct. So thank you for asking, Pam. The moment gali nga naa siya kapariha nga exponent, for instance ha, kini ang given is 4x squared plus 2x squared. What are you going to do? I-add na siya. Alright? So pag yung ani, dili siya, different ang iyang exponent, then all you need to do is copy. Alright? Dili ka pwede maka-add or maka-subtract o lahi-lahi silang exponent. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Clear, ma'am.
Okay. Sige, pwede na tayo mag-proceed. Okay, proceed ta. So, manano siya ang final answer. 4x cubed plus 2x squared plus 4. So, another example of adding function. So, here. Okay, so, again, the same ra gihapon ang gibuhat. Copy the formula and then just copy the value of f of x, copy the value of x of g of x, and then gikuha sa parenthesis, remove the parenthesis, and then arrange. Alright? And then, right after that, after arranging, solve ba yun ang need pa i-solve. Alright? So, -2, -2, -4. Okay. Clear ba, class? Or, ma'am, na-confuse lagi ko
Clear,
gamay,
ma'am.
ma'am. Ano nga part?
Yes,
Clear.
ma'am.
Alright.
Clear,
Sige,
ma'am.
pwede na tayo mag-proceed. Okay, so here's another example again of adding a function. Alright, sige. Dili na ito na ikon ha, kaya na-understand naman ninyo ang addition. Okay, here we have subtraction. Again, subtraction, di ba akong gimension ganina nga subtraction is just the same as addition pero nag-vary lang siya sa or lahi lang ang iyang operation nga gamit which is subtraction. So, kini pareha ra gihapon ng class ang addition og subtraction pareha lang. Atong unsa man? Copy gihapon. Okay, copy. Remove the in the parentheses and then arrange. All right? Arrange this one. I-arrange nato ni gikan sa pinakadako nga numerator, I mean not numerator. Pinakadako nga exponent hantod sa pinakagamay. All right. Sige. Sige, question.
Ma'am, na may question, ma'am.
Jake. Sige, Jake.
Given na siya, ma'am. Ang kanang kuan niya, ma'am.
Ang kanang function.
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Yes, kanang f of x o g of x, given na siya per me. Alright? So, pag
Okay, ma'am.
ilat mo og pag-solve, then na siya. Right? Unless,
Okay,
kung
ma'am.
kamo ang pahimuon sa function, o kamo pa na mag-solve, di ba? Possible. Naka-idea ko, Jake.
Na, tuwa na.
Huna-huna nila, patay na po, nanapoy mga nadumduman si ma'am. Uy, lahat na dyan kay pag may madumduman si ma'am, kaya ding iingon. Alright, sige. Before we're going to proceed, ay makabala ka class kay. Kana, dili. Kalma na gid na, kutina na siya. So, mag-solve rin ta. Alright, so, before we're going to proceed to the multiplication of function, sige, mag-ask sa ako, who among you here is familiar or remembered FOIL method? Saan ang FOIL method? Naay nakakuan, remember? Kay, sa lain na ba nga klase, kay, na ilang teacher, kay, sir, ka naman ang iputos sa lechon manok. Ha? Iputos sa lechon manok, dear. Nakuan ilang sir, kay, kuan ka ng ato ang gitabag sa bata. So, unsa man tong FOIL method? Nakadumdum og FOIL method, class? Wala na ra ba, ma'am?
Wala, ma'am.
Agoy!
Gamay, ma'am. Yes.
Char,
Kadumdum.
na-stress dahil. Bitaw lang kadumdum. Sige, unsa man ang, di ba it stands
Dumdum,
for,
gamay.
sige, unsa may muna
Sorry.
dumduman, Ratzel? Sige daw. I-share na muna dumduman gamay. FOIL. Sige, ay, kabala ka, di mo ko mamaa kung wrong ang answer. Sige, I just share. I just want to
Bali,
know if,
Itong F,
sige.
F,
Oo.
una. Tapos,
Oo.
i-connect dito sa isa ka. Bus, wala ba?
Oh, sige, ako na-gets ang imong pasabot Rochelle, no? Sige, i-connect daw sa kuan na nag-kuan na ta diri. Sige, unsa man, okay, yan na lang. What does foil stands for? Ang F, unsa galito?
First.
First, unsa? First crush, first love. So, man siya, na-apelido. First term. Alright, that is correct. First term. Oh, mo to yung imong ipasabot Rochelle nga kuan ma'am katong kuan kana di ba? Ang sunod ang O stands for the
Outer.
Outer.
term, and ang I
Inner.
Inner term.
term. Yes.
Last
And of
term
course,
din, ma'am.
okay.
Last term.
Una siya ang FOIL method. So, okay. Yeah, wait lang. Kadagan tanin subtraction. So, again, understand ba kaninyo ang subtraction class?
Yes, ma'am.
Tubag, class. Tubag. Magmonolog na
Yes,
po
ma'am.
lagi.
Yes, ma'am.
Monolog na po ko.
Understand,
Tanawan
ma'am.
lagi. Mag-rap ko ron. Sige. So, ang third one is the multiplication of function. So, mata siya na ma-apply na to ang FOIL method rin. Unsaan man, unsa may, how are we going to apply the FOIL method here? Unsaan siya? Ikuan na pod ma'am. Ikuan ma'am. Kanang kuan bitaw. O lagi ka ng kuan class. O kuano na to na. Sa man ang kuan. So of course, so sige ha, akong i-kuan sa inyo ha. Ipakita sa inyo ha kung unsaon nato ni. Sige, ano na siya, class. So given again the functions f of x and f of g, given na siya daan. So diretso na nato. So solution here we have f of x is equal to g of x. So, in this given function, 2x squared plus 3 and then 4x cubed plus 1, atong gamiton ang FOIL method. Saan ito paggamit? Identify na to unsa ang first term dara. Aha ang first term.
2x
Sa given function.
2x. 2x
times
4x.
4 times cube.
4x. X cube.
Alright. So, 2x squared plus, dili. 2x squared times 4x cubed. Anong na-result nga? Na-result nga 8x to the power of 5. How about ang outer term? Asang outer term?
2x cubed times 1.
Okay, 2x cubed. Ay, cube ba na? Or squared?
Squared.
2x squared. Okay, 2x squared times 1. Alright. So 2x squared times 1 is still 2x squared. Alright. And then ang inner term, tingog ang
3
uban.
times 4x cube.
3 times 4x cube, which results here to 12x cube. And of course, the last term is 3 times 1. Alright. So, kumana na, ato na siyang gamitan og FOIL method. And then, all we need to do is atong isulat. Alright? Ang atong result, kini siya. So, 8x to the power of 5 plus 2x squared plus 12x cubed plus 3. And then, right after doing so, ang atong buhaton is, narin siya. Ang atong buhaton is that saan na to galito? Pinaka-final na to nga buhaton,
Arrange siya.
rearrange. Oo. Sugod sa pinakadako og exponent, pagamay. Okay? So, tanawa ang exponent from 5, 3, and 2. Alright? So, paubos yun siya. And then, ang pinaka-last yun is katong walay variable. Alright? Kanatang number. Sige. Sige, ma'am. Proceed na ta, ma'am. Kaya amo na ginasabtan, ma'am. No, Mary, no? Nasabtan na ba, Mary?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright. Good. Kinasabtan. Sige. Proceed ta. So, multiplication. of function. Alright, so another example we have here. Okay, talagang banimog na. Alright, sige. So again, the same process. So what we did, FOIL method ang gamiton, first term, outer term, inner term, and the last term, i-identify, and then i-arrange.
Rearrange.
Alright. So kini siya, na-arrange man siya daan. So final answer na na siya. Sige.
Okay, ma'am. Ano na, araday, ma'am?
Oh, inganaon ra Drake.
Oh.
Drake, inganaon ra Drake. Sige. Nay pangutan na, ma'am katugon yun gay ko ma'am. Murag gamay na lang ma'am mo. Piyong nagid akong mata. Sige lang. Sige kay mawala ra naon niya pag mag-solve na ta. Na tapos ka ang mag-explain kung giunsa ninyo pagkuha. Nga? Na naka-smile si Jordel siya nga. Exciting galing ni baka nang kami ang mag-solve. Sakto ba Jordel? Alright. Sige, mag-proceed na ta sa division. Alright. So in division, again, we're going to use the formula y is equal to f of x over g of x, where the g of x must not be equal to 0. Tama to. Alright, here again, we have a given function, f of x and g of x. All we need to do is copy. Kung unsay formation sa formula, mo pa dito pa di may ibutang. Alright, ang f of x nato is 2x squared plus 3, and then ang g of x nato is 4x cubed plus 1. Alright, so kana class, is it the final answer? Final answer na ba na siya?
Yes, siguro, ma'am.
Yes, siguro ma'am. O, dili siya sure.
Not
Say,
ma'am.
No, ma'am. Not,
kinsa to nag no? Kinsa to nag no? No, ma'am, dili pa na siya final answer. Kay need pa na siya ikuan. Ikuan naman, basta ka nang kuan. Bata, kinsa may, si Jake's, murag, ma'am. Siguro, ma'am. Murag final answer na ma'am. How about ang uban? Is it a final answer or dili siya final answer? Tubag, class. Magmonolog ko, class. Sige, bago na ba ako nga talent ron, magmonolog. Una, rapper, karon magmonolog. Sige, good. Pili. So man na, ito bag lang yes or no, ma'am. Kuan na, ma'am.
no,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
yes.
Si Mary, yes. Si Jorel o
Yes,
si
ma'am.
Makaela. Unsa riyan, yes, ma'am, no? Hala ko, unsa yes, ma'am, no? Text, unsa yung yes, ma'am, no? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Sige. Yes, siguro, ma'am.
Maybe.
Si Jorel, kinsa to nag-maybe? Lahat siya to mga maybe na napitan na. Sige, Jorel, nga daw, no man, Jorel. Sige. I am curious of your idea. Sige. Anong,
Ala.
ay, nanapod na sila mga anak ang mga mugna, uy.
Feel lang, ma'am.
Ko anang ma'am, feel lang na mo, ma'am, iyon sa mga instinct mga murag no or murag yes. Ana, class, pag instinct ra ba class sa math, dili ra ba char, dili ra ba tinuod class. How about Pam? Unsa man Pam? Final answer na siya Pam or ma-reduce pa siya Pam? Pamela.
Final answer na siguro para sa ako, ma'am.
Oh,
Kay
final answer daw para kay
kung magkapareha sila og exponent, siguro pwede pa sila ma-divide.
Alright,
Kung
sige.
kuan sila magkaparehas para sa ako.
Alright, katong late na abot ha, we are discussing about the operation of function. So na ay for operation. I-ask inyong classmate nga naminaw og na ay copy or na ay screenshot about it. Alright? Okay ra ba, Jules?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, sige. Here, sige, atang identify kung final answer na ba nila or dili. Okay. Ay, class. Final answer na ganda siya, class. Final answer na siya for the reason that dili na siya ma-reduce. Siguro ang gihuna-huna sa uban nga, ay ma-reduce pa siguro na siya kay tungod 2 ug 4. Kada ba yung gihuna-huna? 2 and 4, ma-reduce pa na siya into 1/2. So, dili siya, no? Decided na mag-reduce the moment na ma-reduce po ang second one. For example, if it's 3 and 6, then it can still be reduced. Okay? Pero kung kanara, dili na siya ma-reduce. That is the final answer. So, na-I note dari nga only reduce if necessary. Sige. Okay, another example. We have here x squared. F of x is equal to x squared minus 2 and g of x is equal to x minus 2. All right. So, okay. So, still, all right. So, sige, screenshot ninyo class for your reference. Okay. Sige. Question. Pagpasa gud dato good. Sige, wait.
Ma'am, ako ma'am, nakoy question ma'am.
Sige, sige.
Ma'am, ang kato sa division bitaw nga dapit ma'am. Napoy uban nga answer ma-reduce to ma'am.
Yes, it can be nga na a given function nga can still be reduced. So it always depends no on the given function. Function of f of x and f of g. I mean f of g na no ah. F of x and g of
GM.
x.
Okay.
Okay. Question. Katong mga na-late na question. Sige pa. Okay. So, ma-reduce siya. Sige, hamtang example be. For example, we have f of x na equal to, let's say, x minus 1 and then ang g of x na siya x squared minus x minus 1. Hala, late lagi. Daghan lagi late class. Nga naman. Okay. F of g is equal to say f of g. F of x. Okay, ready in yung mga whiteboard and whiteboard markers ha? Okay, we'll be solving in a while.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Jake. So, sige, haman to si Jorel. Sorry, kay class ha. Walay the boards, teacher. So, kini lang. Okay. So, if it's like this, sige, i-confirm if it's clear or not. Ay, ipin sa daw ko, palihog.
Okay na
Alright.
ma'am.
So, if it's like this, so, naan siya class o, x minus 1 over x squared minus x minus 1. So, sige, where do you think ang pwede nga ma-reduce pa siya? Asa ang pwede nga ma-cancel? Ang
Ma'am,
X minus
1
1.
ma'am.
ang x minus
One,
1 kini no og kini
Yes,
unsa na lay mabilin
X.
ma'am.
ang sa taas numerator unsa mabilin
Negative 1.
0 ma'am. Or wala.
so if you are going to cancel so ang result ana class mahimo na siyang 1 over x squared minus 1 sige alright so that's the time that you are going to reduce a certain function. Alright? Mga special cases na siya nga mga whatever. Sure, mga whatever nga mga
Mga
function.
variables lang ang makuan, ma-erase ato, mahawa. Mga variables lang, hindi.
Pwede pag number pam. For example, ma-reduce pa siya for example, 4 let's say for example 4x over tapos unsa man x small. Sige, if it's like this so ma-reduce siya dili wait
Ma-reduce, ma'am.
ma-reduce siya no so ang wait dili wrong akong pa ay sige baliktad so
Just like that.
Ano dahil siya class? Tayo nga na di ay.
Fill up
Alright, so
the
if this is the case, then we can still reduce ang 1/4. Maunsa naman? Ay, unsa 1/4? 2/4 mahimog.
1/2. Ay,
1/2.
1 and 2.
And then ang x to the power of 4 tapos ang sa ubos kay x to the power of 2 man mahimo ng unsa?
2. 2 lang. May
2. Alright, so x to the power of 2. Asa man siya ma-place? Sa taas sa ubos?
sa
Numerator,
taas.
denominator. Okay, numerator. And then ang 3/6 mahimong
3.
unsay 3.
Ay, 1/2. 1/2
Ah,
lang
sorry.
ako.
Unsa mahimo siya,
1/2.
sorry. Muro ko nakagusto na sa akong barkada na. Unsay 3? Sige, 3 unsa man ang 3/6 mahimo nga
1 and 2.
1/2. All right. Understand, class? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, sige. It's your turn. It's your time to shine. All right. So here we're going to okay. So you're going to find the sum of a given function. Sige, you can write it in a piece of paper or in a whiteboard. Sige. Namoy 1 minute. Sure. 1 minute ragid, ma'am. Grabe po, ma'am. Okay, sige. A minute to solve it. Done? Pasa po di mo, ma'am. Oy. Solve pagalay may ma'am. Sige, you just tell me ha if kinsa na humana.
Ano, ma'am?
Sige, how about the others? Humana?
Kailangan mamapit na, ma'am.
Sige, manawag ko ha. Sige, Rian. Sige, si Rian. Mana ka, Rian?
Wala pa, ma'am.
Ah, wala pa. Sige. Kinsay mag-volunteer? Gusto mag-show sa iyang answer? Kinsa man? Okay, si Pamela daw gusto mang. Sige, ipinta ka, Pamela ha. You show it to the class.
Makita, ma'am.
Okay, yeah, we can see it.
Sakto,
Sige.
ma'am.
Sige, you explain it to them, Pamela. Unsa nimo siya?
Okay, ma'am. Wait lang.
Sige.
So first, akong gisulat ang iyang formula. Sulat na ako, and then gisulat na ako ang given. Then, tapos, gisulat na ako ang given na, wait, na ako makita. X squared minus 4 plus 5x plus 6. Ako nang gi-rewrite sa ubos pod na wala na yung parenthesis. And then, ako siyang gi-arrange by its order, by its exponent. X squared plus 5x minus 4 plus 6. And then, x squared plus 5x, akong gisolve ang negative 4x plus 6 equals positive 2. O ang result, x squared plus 5x plus 2.
Okay,
Sakto
kinsay
ba?
na ay... Okay, thank you, Pamela, for showing your work. Thank you so much. Okay, who among you here nga na ay same answer kay Pamela? Si Prince? Kinsa pa?
Yes, ma'am. Na ako, ma'am.
Kitsa pa ang naay same answer kay Pamela. Kay si Prince ra. How about ang naay different answer? Nabay different
Ako,
ang
ma'am.
answer?
Same
Different imong
answer,
answer. Sige, Jake.
Same.
How about ang different answer na ba? Itingog lang klasa kay dili na ko ma-identify kung nag-hands up mo kay kanang ang camera limited ra ako makita. Kinsay na ay different answer kay Pamela? Tingog class, magmonolog ko class ako ma'am, ana. Mag-answer ko sa akong self. Sige mo answer kay Pamela, sige lang, ingon lang mo. Ma'am, pareha mag-answer, ma'am, dili mi pareha answer. Sige. Tingog.
Parehas
Ma'am,
ni
gahimo
ma'am.
na akong fraction.
Parehas. Ang
Parehas, ma'am.
Pera, ma'am.
ano ba tingog ba? Ay si Ritzel na kay lahing answer.
Parehas sa di, ma'am.
Pareha mag-answer. Sure na gid na, walay naglahi sa inyong answer. Sinay, ma'am, lahi lagi akong
Wala.
kuan, ma'am. Lahi lagi akong solution. Same ba tanan? Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am, ay.
Same tanan, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So, since it is already time, and then kini pa atong nabuhat nga activity, okay, so what you're going to do, assignment na lang, tomorrow na to i-solve. The same function nga gamiton, but kadtong tulo nga remaining, subtraction, multiplication, and division. All right? Same function ang gamiton, f of x is equal to x squared minus 4, and g of x is equal to 5x plus 6. Inyong i-find ang iyang i-solve ninyo using katong subtraction and then multiplication and division. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Understand?
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
All right. Clear? Clear as crystal? All
Clear
right.
as
So,
crystal.
sige. Sige, Drake. Laban, Drake. So, mura to siya class. I hope, na ba nasabtan class? Or, ma'am, katugon mi, ma'am. Wala mi
Daghan, ma'am,
nasabtan,
oy.
ma'am.
Daghan na
Daghan?
sabtan, ma'am.
Or, we. Sure na yun na. Char, how about ang uban? Class katong na late, ganina, pag namoy na confuse nga part, na-sage lang ko ha, para ma-cater na ko kung unsang inyong kanang concern. Alright? About regarding this lesson. Clear? Clear, ma'am.
Yes.
Clear, ma'am. Alright, thank you class for joining our class today. I hope nga ganahan pa mabalik sa tong klase. Alright, so thank you so much. See you tomorrow for our
Next.
PE may
Hapik.
ugma agay class no. Or ano pa kog ugma na to ikuan, sige. Manguha ra ta gamay sa PE.
PE taon niyo. Ugma, ma'am, oy.
Sino kaila.
PE
Alawa
lagi
na
daw,
po
ma'am.
mo, ma'am.
lagi, ma'am.
Ang PE,
Ay,
ma'am.
nagka
Wala
mo,
dyan,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Iskoy kay dili ka sige lang kay kuan i-solve ang gahapon ninyo ha tomorrow sa PE 10
Okay, ma'am.
minutes ra or 5 minutes. Ma'am, mangligis lagi kag time, ma'am. Sige lang tapos mag-solve sa ta dessert ta manayo kay para ma-energize ta tomorrow. All right? Thank you so much. All right. Nayo. Yung mga na bitaw kay nag-ano ang kilayo. Mga agree gid ba dili lagi ma'am dili. Sige, wala mo choice. Wala choice. Anyways, ato rang mag-run through na ta tomorrow. All right? Sige, nangawat na kog 5 ka minuto kay sir. Pakiingon sa iya nga sorry.
Kuwat na si sir, guys.
Sige, thank you. Bye.
Bye,
Bye,
ma'am.
thank you,
Salamat.
ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you. Arigato.